Hi, my name's David Alemian, host of the It's About Money radio show. You know, I've been an insurance agent for over 17 years, and people are always asking me questions about insurance. Well, today we're going to talk about how to get medical insurance on a budget. Well, the first thing you need to do is determine how much is your budget. In other words, what can you afford each and every month, month in and month out, even those months when we get those unexpected financial expenses, because you still have to pay your insurance premium on that month too. Well, the next thing you need to do is sit down with an experienced agent who specializes in health insurance. Tell him about your situation. In other words, do you have any pre-existing medical conditions? Do you need regular doctor visits? Or is it just the occasional visit for a checkup every now and then? Are you basically healthy? Because, you know, if you're healthy, you might decide that you want to try having a very high deductible. That way you would have a very low insurance premium. Now remember, you still need to be able to afford to pay that deductible should you get sick, but you'll have protection from catastrophic illness. Now, one way to do that is to start out with a lower deductible. It's going to cost you more in premium, but it's just temporary. Then we're going to take money and save it in a special account to cover us for that deductible. What I like to use is a life insurance policy, a cash value life insurance policy, to save the money for that high deductible. And then as the money in that cash value life insurance policy grows, we can raise our deductible, thereby lowering our premium. And then that savings money we can also put into that life insurance policy to build up more cash value. Now, why do we want to use a life insurance policy? Well, one of the reasons is because the new life insurance policies today also pay us a benefit, cash, should we be stricken with a covered illness, even though we're going to be fine. In other words, if you have a heart attack, stroke, cancer, all of these catastrophic illnesses, there's a new type of life insurance called life insurance with living benefits that actually lets you take a portion of the death benefit if you have one of those illnesses, even though you're going to be fine. Well, that can help us because it can pay our deductible for us, or we could use the cash value in the policy to pay our deductible. But also, if you get stricken by a catastrophic illness, you may find that you're going to be out of work for several months, and that is where financial devastation can kick in. But if we have one of these life insurance policies, give us enough money to pay our other bills too while we're recovering from an illness. So these are some of the ways to buy medical insurance on a budget. It takes time, but if you sit down with an insurance agent who's experienced, specializing in health insurance, tell him your goal, what you'd like to do. In other words, start out here with your deductible and raise it over time because you're saving it and you want to use a life insurance policy to do that. He or she should be able to guide you through the process. My name is David Alemian. For other answers to questions about insurance, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching.